Hello and welcome to the Oliveboard platform. Today's session is going to be a power-packed session of missing numbers, a very important topic from the SSC examinations point of view. So we'll have a fast-paced sessions where we'll cover a set number of questions. If you are watching this session, I would request you please watch it till the end. And wherever you want to solve the question, you need some time, hit the pause button, solve it, then hit the play button again, and you can view the solution, right? Do watch it till the end, do hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to the Oliveboard platform. Let's start right away. So the very first question in front of you, it's an interesting version actually. It might not come to you directly, but what you need to think is you need to think row wise here. So when I multiply 9 and 2, okay, when I multiply 6 and 8, what do I get here? I get 9 into 2, this is 18, and if I divide this by 6, I will get 3, which is the first column number. Multiply 6 by 8, I'll get 48. Divide that by 6, I'll get 8, which is again the first column number. So if I multiply 3 with something and I divide that by 6, I should get 5 as my answer. So this is 30 divided by 3, which will give me 10. So option C is the correct answer here. Cool. Next. So this is similar to the previous one. What is happening here? I can multiply these two. 2 into 6. I will divide it by 3 to get 4. Again 3 into 9. 27 divided by 3 is 9 again. And 6 into x divided by 3 should be equal to 24. So this will go here, this will come here. So it's actually 12. Okay, option B is the right answer. Next. Now, this one is actually very interesting. The first thing which you're going to try whenever you're going row wise and you have smaller numbers leading to a larger number. So the first thing which you're going to try is the sum. So you will add 16 and 15, you get 31. You will add 12 and 18, you will get 30. And these are both close to their results. What exactly more is being added? I am adding 4 here and I am adding 3 here. That means a fixed number is not being added. So you need to check how this number is derived. You can see this is 16 and 4, this is 12 and 3. So now it is clarified what exactly is happening is I am adding 16, I am adding 15 and I am further adding 16 divided by 4 to get 35. I'm adding 12, I'm adding 18 and plus I'm adding 12 divided by 4 so that I'm getting 3. So I will add 8, I will add 17 and I'll further add 8 divided by 4. So this is 25 plus 2, 27. Option B. The point is currently you might feel that questions eventually are turning out to be easy, but in the examination when these come in front of you, they seem to be tricky and they seem to be time consuming because the way of landing at the correct solution is not right. Next. See, quickly we can figure out 14 minus 9 difference is 5 into 2 is 10. Let's observe for the other one. 6 minus 2 is 4. Multiplied by 2 is 8. So 8 minus x multiplied by 2 should be equal to 4. So 4 divided by 2 is 2 and 8 minus 2 is 6. So x is equal to 6. Okay. Next. Now in this question, it's quite clear that how you are going from first column to the second column. So 6 cube, we are cubing this. 8 cube, 10 cube. What about this? This is a very common thing actually. 6 cube minus 6 square, this is equal to 180. 8 cube minus 8 square is equal to 448. So 10 cube minus 10 square is going to be how much? So that is 1000 minus 100 is 900. Option C is the correct answer here. Alright, next. This one also, see, I have Usually I have taught in my classes that you need to remember a list of special numbers. Special numbers means you need to know. So this is a special number which I often tell you, 2n square. So if n square is 81, you know that 2 into 81 is 162. That means when you have written this down, you know the moment you look at 162, you know it's a double of 81. And same thing happens here. So what exactly are you doing? You are squaring, either you are taking their difference and then taking the square root. So that will also give you your answer. Okay, because 108 minus 72 is 36. Difference is 81. Either you can do that, or you are simply 9 square multiplied by 2 is 162. And 9 square multiplied by 3 is 243. 6 square multiplied by 2 is 72 multiplied by 3 is this. So 4 square 16 multiplied by 2 will give me 32, and that is my answer. Approach can be anything. Since this is mathematics, your approach can be in any direction. And most probably you will realize that whenever you are approaching these questions in your examination, you will mostly go for the complicated approach rather than the simple one. That is the primary issue point. Okay. So any which ways, try to approach it however you can in the exam. Till the time you are not taking a lot of time. Now in this one, this is slightly unique actually. But how can you tackle this is sometimes you just might not get the correct answer by simple adding, subtracting, So that means you are actually increasing the values. Okay, you're changing the values. Now there is one approach to this is you add both of them and you see what exactly is happening. So 7 plus 9 is 16. 16 closes multiplied by 2 is 32, and I am adding more 7 to it to get 39. So this is one way to look at it actually, but how did I get to this? I can multiply this whole column by 3. I can multiply this whole row by 2, and then I can simply add them. So what do I get? I get 21 plus 18. That's 39. Okay. I will get 12 plus 16. That's 28. So I will add 18 plus 14. So I'll get how much? 32. Okay. Next. See, they are all divisible by 3, these ones. If I divide them by 3, do I get anything special? 24? No. (27), 19, 30, 57. Wait. If I divide this by 3, I get 27. 19 plus, so 27 plus 30 divided by 3 is 19, right? This is 19. 19 plus 107 divided by 3. So 126 divided by 3. Is it 42? Yes, it is 42. Yes. Great. Awesome. We have found it. So 15 plus x divided by 3 should be equal to 23. That's what it is. So 69 minus 15 is our answer. That is 54. So this is one way of looking at it. Of course, you might have some other version. So what did I do here is, commonly, if you are not able to get to a logic, what you can do is you can divide one column with a common factor, and that usually is the highest common factor. So you divide with that, you will get some smaller numbers. Now why do we do that? We do that so that we can visualize something. Sometimes you're just simply multiplying a column by a fixed value, you're dividing something by a fixed value. So when you divide it with a common factor, the numbers reduce and then the calculation seems to be simpler. So there are some things which are visible to you. Okay. The other method is we just simply factorize. Just simply factorize larger numbers, you will start getting the logics. Okay, what might be hidden behind this? So we are dividing this with 3, then we are adding it to 30, and then we are dividing that number by 3 to get this one. Or either, yeah, I think that's pretty much it. That is more than sufficient. Next. See, this one actually is slightly different. What exactly is happening here is 14 and 17 is 31. Okay. So, and 38 and 38 and 41 is 79. Now that 17 and 41, they are being obtained from these numbers. So what exactly are we doing is we are multiplying this whole column by 4. We are adding these results. So we are adding 14 plus 16. And then we are further adding 1 to it to get 31. We are adding 38 plus 40. Further adding 1 to it to get 79. And we are adding 30 plus 32. So we'll further add 1 to it to of course get 63, which is our answer. Option C. Okay. What else could have been done? So we could have subtracted this, is it? Yeah, we could have done that. Subtract these, subtract 1 further. So this is 40 divided by 4. That can also be done. 17 minus 1 divided by 4. Okay. So it's the same thing. We are just coming in the reverse order. Okay, this one I think 48, 34, this is 14, 6 into 8 minus 6 minus 8. Can this be possible? 3 into 2, 6. No, that's not how this is working. So 9 plus half, 36. No, that's not it. If we just try to add them, their multiples, and get close to them, 6 into 2 and 8 into 2, 16 and 12, no, 24 and 12 is 36. Okay, yes, it's working here also, I believe. You multiply this column with 2, multiply this column with 3, add them, so you get 12 plus 24, and you subtract 2 from it to get 34. Okay. So 6 plus 6 minus 2 is 10. So 22 plus 54 minus 2 is 76 minus 2, 74. This is a good one actually. Figuring it right away is going to be difficult. Okay. Next. 6, 124. So 6, 39. 6 square plus 3. 64. No. What you do is subtract the larger numbers. Okay. Subtract the larger numbers, because sometimes we just might not understand what is happening. So 124 minus 39. This is 85, right? And 229 minus 74. It's 155. Okay. Now look at 6 and 11 and 18, 5 and 155. What can we see? So with 6 and 85, if you're good with numbers, if you're good with tables, you will realize that 6 into 14 is 84. How to reach there is, if we multiply 6 with 14 and if we add 1 to it, we'll get 85. Confirm it here. If you multiply 11 by 14, we get 154, and we add 1 to it, we get 155. That means what are we doing in the end is, we are multiplying the first column by 14. We are multiplying the first column with 14. Of course, that's a difficult thing to find out. So 6 into 14. 14 doesn't look like 14. Yeah. So 6 into 14 is 84 plus 1, 85 plus 39 is 124. That's what we are doing. So 14 into 6 plus 1 plus 39 is 124. So our answer is going to be 8 into 14 plus 1 plus 53. So that is 166, I believe, right? Okay. So 113 plus 53. All right. Next. Now, in this case, first thing where we'll be disturbed a bit mentally is between 73, 75, 64, 63. They are very close to each other. So we'll think that something is being added or multiplied here because it's a very close number. But actually this has got nothing to do with each other. If you add and subtract in various combinations, you will see that when you finally subtract these two, yeah, subtract these two, what do you get? You get 21, right? Plus 4 into 3. Subtract these two, you get 23. No. That's not it, but it's somewhere close to it, I believe. 52. 73 plus 75, that is 147. 52 plus 75 is 127. 73 plus 52 is 125. Yeah, that works better. So add these two. 73 plus 52 is 125. 64 plus 41 is 105. And 68 plus 47 is 115. That means they are all multiples of 5. Okay. Now if I divide this by 5, I get 25. And if I multiply this by 3, I get 75. I'm just trying to get how can I get this number. I can try with various methods. And while you're practicing, you can do this. Give yourself that exposure. Give yourself that time. Okay. Give yourself sufficient time to solve one question of missing numbers at this stage, so that by the time the exam comes up, you are ready with any variation which comes your way. So let's try this. 64 plus 41 is 105 divided by 5 and multiply by 3. So that's 21 multiplied by 3 is 63. So 68 plus 47 is 115 divided by 5 is 23. 23 multiplied by 3 is 69. Okay. (27 into 3). Is it that simple? 33 into 3. Yeah, it is. 15 plus 12. Let's just try. 27 into 3 is 81. 18 plus 15. 33 into 3 is 99. So 17 plus x into 3 should be equal to 120. This is 40 minus 17. 23. Oh, that's not there in the options. Something else is happening. See? I will not cancel this out. I'll just write an x here. Because it's following in these two but not following here in the options. So something else is the logic here now. Column wise, can we see something being multiplied or divided anywhere? No. 27. If I divide this by 3, I get 27. But that's not giving me anything. Okay, 81 and 15, if I add, what do I get? 96. 99 and 18, if I do, I get 117. But that is not going to help out, right? 96. Okay. Oh, wait. If I take 15 square minus 12 square, what do I get? 225 minus 144, it's 81. If I do 18 square minus 15 square, what do I get? This is 324 minus 225, that is 99. Hence, if I do x square, so no, 17 square minus x square should be equal to 120. This is 289 minus 120 will be equal to x square. Of course, you don't have to solve this like this. I'm just showing it so that you know what exactly has happened. X is 13. Option B. That's a very good question actually. Into 3 plus 4 into 3 plus 4 into 3 plus 4. Yeah, can we see this? Into 3 plus 4 into 3 plus 4 into 3 plus 4. What about this? Into 2, 56 minus 3 into 250 minus 3. So into 2 minus 3 is going to be our answer. 43 into 2 is 86 minus 3 is 83. Option D is the correct answer. All right. So that was a quick, fast-paced session of missing numbers. Cute little session for you, right? Thank you so much for watching till the end. And if you have watched till the end, then this bonus question is right for you. So you can go ahead and check it out. It's a very good question. Just take the screenshot, or maybe you can watch this video so you can hit the pause button, solve this question, and in the comment section put the correct answer, right? So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Do hit the like button, share it across platforms so that other students can also benefit from these little mini videos we have started generating for you. Thank you so much for watching this power capsule. I'll see you around in the next one. Till then, you guys take care. Bye-bye. Namaskar. Jai Hind.